In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image map in WordPress and Elementor, creating responsive designs with clickable areas for free. Whether managing a blog or a professional website, making an image interactive can greatly improve user engagement and navigation. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to do. Let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to wordpress.com, the home of everything you'll need to build your website. Once you're on the main page, look for the login option. You can usually find this in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on Login and enter your credentials. If you're managing multiple sites, make sure you choose the right one once you've logged in. Now that you're in your WordPress dashboard, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left. This is your control panel where most of the magic happens. Let's go ahead and click on Plugins. Plugins are essential tools in WordPress. They're like apps for your website and can add all kinds of new features to your site. Inside the Plugins section, you'll notice an option that says Add New. Click on that option. This will take you to the plugin repository, which is filled with special tools that can extend the functionality of your website. In the search bar, located towards the top right of the page, type Image Map. This search will return various plugins, but we're looking for one that'll allow you to create responsive image maps, so choose carefully. Once you've found a suitable image map plugin, the next step is to install and activate it. You'll see buttons for these actions right next to the plugin description. First, click Install, and wait a few moments while WordPress downloads the necessary files to your site. Once it's installed, the Install button will transform into an Activate button. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. With the plugin active, follow any given prompts to configure your settings, or directly begin using it to create your image map. You'll typically find a new menu in your WordPress dashboard or within your Elementor editor specifically for this purpose. As you set up the clickable areas on your image, pay attention to how these areas look on different devices to ensure that your map is fully responsive and provides a smooth user experience. And there you have it, a fully functional, interactive image map within WordPress using Elementor and a free plugin. Remember to preview your work, making sure all areas are clickable and direct users as intended. Thanks for tuning in today. If you have questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy mapping!